In the diagram, POS and ROT are straight lines. OPQR is a parallelogram, and the side OS is equal to the side OT, and angle OST is equal to 50 degrees. Calculate the value of angle OPQ. So we are going to calculate the value of angle OPQ. So angle OPQ will be the angle formed at point T, which is this one. We are looking for the value of this angle. From the question, we are being told that the side OS, so the side OS is equal to the side OT. What this means is that OST is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. The side OS is equal to the side OT. It means that the angle OST, which is 50 degrees, is equal to the angle OTS. So the angle OTS, which is the angle formed here, they are equal. So it means that this one is also 50 degrees. So because the triangle OST is an isosceles triangle, the angle OTS is also 50 degrees. We know that angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. So it means that if we add the angle OST to the angle OTS to the angle SOT, which are the interior angles of the triangle OST, we have to get 180 degrees. So you add 50 degrees to 50 degrees to the angle formed here, which is angle SOT, and that will give us 180 degrees. We have found angle OST and angle OTS to be 50 degrees. So that will be 50 degrees plus 50 degrees plus angle SOT is equal to 180 degrees. 50 degrees plus 50 degrees will give us 100 degrees. So you have 100 degrees plus angle SOT to give us 180 degrees. Angle SOT will be equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, and this will give us 80 degrees. So it means that the angle SOT, which is the angle formed here, is 80 degrees. Remember, we are looking for the angle OPQ. Okay. We know that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So what it means is that the angle SOT, which is the 80 degrees angle we found here, plus the angle TOP, which is the angle formed here, will give us 180 degrees because they fall on a straight line. We have found angle SOT to be 80 degrees, so we will have 80 degrees plus angle TOP to be 180 degrees. Angle TOP will be equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, and this will give us 100 degrees. So the value of angle TOP is 100 degrees. Now we can see from the diagram here that the line OP is parallel to the line RQ, and the line OR is also parallel to the line PQ. Now if the line OP is parallel to the line RQ, then it means that the angle OPQ and the angle TOP are alternate angles. So the angle OPQ, which is the angle formed here, the one we are looking for, and the angle TOP, which we have found to be 100 degrees, are alternate angles. From plane geometry, we know that alternate angles are equal. So the angle TOP will be equal to the angle OPQ, and the reason is that they are alternate angles. We have found angle TOP to be 100 degrees, so it means that angle OPQ will also be 100 degrees. So in this diagram, the value of angle OPQ is 100 degrees.